Namaste, you are hearty welcome to my LED TV repair channel. Well, today we are going to discuss about the problem seen in Sony TV display. As when the display of Sony TV is seen to be green in color, we need to repair and we can do it easily. First of all, clean the wire of LVDS cable. Then connect to check it. But the display is again same. Now, change another LVDS cable. But also, same problem can be seen. Again, change LVDS converter. The display is okay now. Now we can resolve all LVDS converter. So, you can check it again. After resolving the old LVDS converter, the display problem is solved in Sony TV. Well, thank you very much for watching full video. Please like, comment, share and do not forget to subscribe my channel to get more new videos. Remain updated with me and my channel. Once again, thank you. Namaste and have a good day. Bye-bye.